Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. About sine x squared, we can put sine x. Next, we can put like this. Now we have the formula in here. And this one equals to number 1 coefficient of s, that is about 1 and 1 in here. So this one equals to number 1 when s approaches to number 0. And we put number 0 for sine. Sine of number 0, we have number 0. So this one equals to number 0. That is the end. Thank you for watching.